In today's video, I'll teach you how to disable Hyper-V in Windows. So if you want to disable the Hyper-V, it is actually very simple. For that, first of all, click on the search icon that you can see at the taskbar. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply search for turn Windows feature on or off. You'll be able to see the result over here. Click on this option, open. Now you can see over here the Windows features has been opened. You'll be able to turn it on or off. Right over here, find this option for Hyper-V. If this option is enabled, what you have to do is simply click on it in order to uncheck this box. Now after you do that, click on the option OK. Now once you do that, wait for a while. It will require few minutes to search for the required files and apply the changes. Now you can see over here your request has been completed. What you have to do is click on this option, restart now. After you do that, your PC or laptop will be restarted and the changes will be applied. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you disable Hyper-V on Windows. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.